next topic, is touching food before washing. One should not touch any food before she wash negel wasser, so as not to transfer ruach ra to the food. So that's this ruach ra, this spirit of impurity, is very serious business. So it can go to the food. This does not apply to food or drink that are wrapped or in a container, since the actual food is not being touched. So it does not go to container or wrapper, but it goes directly to the food. So you touch the apple, right? If one did touch the food before she washed Nagelwasser, she should wash her hands, food 3 times. If the food will be ruined by doing so, washing is not required. Even if the food has an inedible peel, it must be washed 3 times. This is true even if it has already been peeled after being touched. Okay, so let's try to understand, because it's very interesting, very serious business, right? So, so this impurity from the hands can go to the food. We got it, right? Not to the wrapper, not to outside container. So what do we do with the food? For example, as I said, my example was apple. Okay, she has to wash this apple, or he, 3 times. Okay, wash the apple 3 times, and you're no problem. You're golden. Okay, but some food you're not going to wash. For example, bread, right, or cookie. What, you're going to wash cookie 3 times? You're not going to wash. So they say, like, after the fact, just leave it be. But our sages, he did not bring it, but some of our sages say that if possible, to cut the top layer, like thin layer, that would be preferable. If not, so if you're talking about cookie, how can you cut cookie? So after the fact, just leave it be. Okay. And very interesting, he said, even if the food had an edible peel, so you have orange, right, or banana, right, so you touch banana, so it says it must be washed 3 times, so even after you peeled it. This is true even if it has already been peeled after being touched. Okay, so you peel banana, there is no problem with washing banana. I mean, there's no problem with eating wet bananas, I think. Wet bread, that would be a problem.